It's okay. Kaleo is saying it's okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do we got here?
It's very citrusy.
No. No. It is an absolutely no from you.
Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel.
Today we're in Magic Kingdom, and what we're doing, Dad?
Tonight we actually came over here to Magic Kingdom for something special. More treats have come out in celebration of the 50th anniversary, and we're here to give you our honest feedback as usual, right? So I know that there's like a flatbread pizza. They have other desserts and stuff like that, even a float. So we're going to try that tonight. If you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cool Case Adventures, and our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Disney or any other theme park. With that said, become part of this family by simply
subscribing.
And also,
smashing that like button.
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Kiddos, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! No, there's no need for you guys to adjust your TV screen while you're watching. It's truly happening. Christmas decorations still up here at Magic Kingdom. I don't remember that is even last year. I don't think they were here that long.
Literally overnight, it just went out.
Yeah, so they have taken their sweet time this year to remove them. So
They just want to keep giving out that spirit.
right. So anyway, let's see what will be the first treats that we're gonna find for tonight. Man, that castle is a beauty. Never get tired of seeing this castle, right?
Oh, it's very cute.
So our first stop, where is it gonna be, Kyla?
Pinocchio.
So we're heading to Pinocchio Village because that's where they have the flatbread that we're looking for.
I don't even know. I just know we're going to Pinocchio and getting some food.
You just heard food testing. That's all you heard.
That's all I needed.
That's all she needed. All right, well, let's see how we can maneuver around this crowd. All right, family, in case you need a point of reference, the Pinocchio Village is actually located right across from Peter Pan, in case you need to find it. And for the most part, their menu is pretty decent. They do have, pizza, obviously. They have flatbreads. I want to say they do have some chicken tenders too, so I haven't been here in a few months, but just so you know, I did my duty as a dad, so I don't keep these two waiting, and I already placed my mobile order while I was waiting in the monorail because I want to make sure I made it here on time.
I mean, but would you care to buy some chicken tenders?
No, I didn't buy you chicken tender because we're not trying chicken tender. We are trying, what is that we're trying today?
Croque Monsieur.
Croque Monsieur. A very difficult name for me to pronounce. We even had to call Mom in order to figure that one out. So it is,
Mom's not here.
and Mom is not here, exactly. So we are actually waiting for our pickle tummies. All right, family, so I want to show you this, even though it is 6:56. I hope you guys can see it over there on the top. My window, my pickup window is 7 to 7:30, as you can see it over there. But I do have over here something that I could click on, and it says, I'm here, prepare my order. So that's what I'm about to do. And it's sending the request, and as you can see, even though it's not 7 o'clock, I was able to do it because I'm here. Once the order is ready, I will show one of those cast members that the order is ready, and they will let me in, which is a pretty neat system. There you go. I'm not even done filming on this clip, and it says your order, order blah 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 is ready at pickup number 4. All right, family, and as usual, we're gonna do this together. Kalo has the order. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna show it to them. That way, they let us in. Go ahead, show them the. All right, thank you. See, easy. Show it to them. Now we're gonna come over here. Number 4. So we're heading to mobile order pickup number 4. As you can see, it is right over here. And that's what we're about to do. That's super easy. The next step is to show them our order, and then we're gonna get it from them.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Even though you ordered one thing, could you still come here and buy something else?
That's a great question, Khalil. They usually have another register that they keep open, and they let you place the order because not everybody has a phone available. You know, there's some international guests too. Well, you see, that's why the cast members are around to help you. So, all right, guys. So we already showed them the number, which is 4057, and we are gonna get what we order. What are we trying?
The crock monsieur.
Here you go. Anyway, not only we decided to buy that, there's a new item that came out this week today, and this is orange and almond cake. So basically, features orange and an almond tart, topped with orange blossom cream and roasted almonds. And this looks pretty neat though. And if you look at it, right over here, it's like the design of it's a small world, which is pretty awesome. And I believe that's on a white chocolate. All right, so this is the part that I'm eager to find out, especially with the kids, because the kids don't like tomatoes as much. And as you can see, it does have some of the tomato bites over there, or diced tomatoes. But this actually has ham. So I'm eager to get their opinion on this flatbread, and it smells delicious, by the way. So. Oh, we got the first opinion.
It's really good.
Thumbs up. Is it something that you feel like any kid is gonna like? If they like cheese pizza or something like that? Okay. Let me see Kyla. Kyla.
It's like a regular pizza.
It tastes like a regular pizza?
It's really good. I like the cheese, but when you're talking about like different like toppings, it just tastes like regular pizza.
Yeah.
I still really like it.
How's the crust? It's good? Oh yeah, you made it to the crust. Is it buttery?
I'm saying it's very good. And I'm saying that crust is good. And I'm a person that with pizza, I don't like crust.
There you go. There you go. Look at Kyla. Oh my, we found a winner.
Yeah, it's good.
There you go. So if you're coming to Magic Kingdom now, you guys know what to order. The kids were absolutely correct. This is very flavorful. The crust is amazing. For me, it has like the right amount of butter. It tastes really good. So far I love it. I'm not unlike the kids and Karen. I'm not a person who enjoys pizza, but I highly recommend you to do this. I don't know. I don't see like any red sauce or anything like that. I mean, I don't know what kind of sauce they're using, but see, there's not like marinara sauce or anything like that. So maybe that's what I enjoy it, because I'm not a person that eats red sauce or enjoys it. But you liked it, right?
Yeah, it was really good, and
Okay.
I really like red sauce. So.
There you go. So definitely. And I just want to show you guys that we just done some damage control in here.
What?
Some quality control.
They didn't give us another plate. They give it to us empty.
The flavor just melted in our tongues. You like it, huh? Kyla started like, yeah, and then all of a sudden, yum, this is delicious. All right, so now that we're done with this, let's try this orange and almond tart. Oh.
It's okay.
It's okay. Khalil is saying it's okay. Whoa, what do we got here?
It's very citrusy.
No.
That thing.
No. It is an absolutely no from you. Why don't you try it one more time? One more time. Let's do it. Let's see. And if that's it for you, I'm okay with that too. But after the second try, it was a better taste.
It's not my favorite dessert, but it's not the worst dessert I've ever tried.
Okay, so a
But
little.
the first bite,
All right, so give it another try, Kyle. I'm interested. Let's see.
Me?
Yeah, this is what is gonna define it. Now we're 1-1. The first one you didn't like. The second one was good. Okay for you. Let's see how is this one. I'm gonna try while Kyla does it too. Okay. Now that I tried it.
It's the type of thing you gotta eat it more to be like, okay.
Okay. See, and now that I tried it, I can tell you right now, the color is correct. I mean, it's an orange and almond. So you could take the citruses.
That first part is very, very strong.
Yeah.
And you got me a big piece too, so that thing hit me.
Once you bite it for the first time, you actually feel the citrus flavor right off the bat, and then a little bit after, that's when you feel a little bit of the almonds. So, but overall, it's not that bad, right?
I mean, if you guys don't want it, I'll eat it.
No, I'll eat it too.
I'll take the sacrifice.
After taking the first try, it's not bad. Like, it's still a really good dessert.
Right.
Actually, I would eat it again.
Oh, so you will eat it again. All right. How about you? There you go. Now we're going to complete this before we move to the next.
I'm going to
Well,
White chocolate?
that is white chocolate. Go for that if you want to. So we're going to actually finish this thing and then give Khalil the other half. That is white chocolate, so you guys should be okay with the white chocolate. So thumbs up white chocolate, thumbs up white chocolate. So we're gonna obviously finish this and then move on to the next item. All right, guys, so now we're done, officially done with the orange and almond tart and the flatbread. The flatbread was like,
That was really good.
it was delicious. But now we're actually, are you guys ready for another treat?
Yes.
Another dessert?
Yes.
Or snack. It's considered a snack. We're gonna now try a brand new float that you can find on Aloha Isle. So we're gonna head down there now. And we have made it to our next destination here at Aloha Isle. And as you can see, this actually helped answering Kalo's question. What happens if you don't have a mobile order or a cell phone? See, they have a register open now. In our case, that we place an order, that's where you actually pick your mobile order. So right now, it's saying that it's getting prepared, so it's gonna tell us whether it's window number 1 or 2. And if you need point of reference, it's basically located right behind the flying carpets, Aladdin's flying carpet. All right, so it sounds like our order is ready here at pickup number 1. So while we have the fireworks going on right behind us, you guys ready? Look at this.
Yeah, I'm scared.
You're scared of what? But Kyla is always scared. Are you ready to try this?
No, but
No? Okay, I'm ready. So this is called Crooning Flower Float. And just so you guys know, before these two touch them, or you could start, see, because they cannot wait. What it is a lime and vanilla swirl soft serve pineapple float with blue chocolate feather. That's the blue chocolate feather right there. Now, how is it?
it's really good.
Really good.
It's so good.
It is so good.
I don't even like lime.
And you don't like lime.
I don't like lime. This is really good.
So tonight is the night of surprises, because you don't like orange, you don't like lime. What else you don't like that you enjoy tonight?
Tomatoes.
You don't like tomatoes,
I don't like tomatoes actually.
and you enjoy that flatbread.
It's the year of trying new things.
There you go. 2022 is Kyla's year. So, how about you?
I mean, if you guys don't want it, I'll take the sacrifice.
You say this. You've been sacrificing a lot. Although, also, by the way, I want to do a shout out to our friend Andrea. She actually has a really good Instagram page that everybody needs to follow. It's called Disney for Foodies. I will actually put the link below, and hopefully the name is gonna be showing over here. Disney for Foodies, and thanks to Andrea, who recommended us this item, is the reason why I knew what to select, because I think there is a total of 7 or 8 items that were released yesterday, Monday, January 10th, and I think she tried them all, but she gave me her top 3 items, which I'm glad she did. She is right on the money right there, right?
Yes. Sorry, I was eyeing Kalo.
Yeah, we had to watch Kalo because he will actually try it all.
Dad tries some before he destroys it.
Guys, look, a firework.
So anyway,
I turned.
I want to say thank you to Andrea
Thank you.
and her hard work for helping us out finding. Every time that we go out and try food, right? That's, you know, she gives us the idea. So
Give us the good stuff.
so there you go, guys. Disney for foodies. You hear those fireworks right now? That's basically how basically how we feel right now
Your taste.
after trying this float. It is amazing. Yeah,
so
combination of vanilla and lime goes well. Obviously, if you don't like lime, you may have an issue, but you already saw Kyla doesn't like lime and she loves it.
Come on, guys, try new things with me.
And then of course, I think it has pineapple on the bottom.
Yeah, that's the juice.
Amazing.
Oh no, we back.
All right, guys, so there you have it here from Magic Kingdom when we tried different treats. Well, a total of 3 items to 9 for the 50th anniversary menus, you know, which is outstanding. Fireworks going behind the scenes, amazing. We still have a little bit of the float to finish. So
I might take the sacrifice.
yeah, they're currently deciding who's gonna finish what. They don't know I'm gonna finish it. But anyways, once again, thank you to Andrea again. I never disclosed her page in this channel, but truly I follow Disney for Foodies in Instagram, and she also helped us a lot finding the items to try around all Disney property. So make sure you follow her. But at this time, sadly, this adventure has ended, and with that said, we gotta remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn that bell notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you on the next adventure. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom, see ya.
Bye.